My queens, stop screaming right now, okay, and stay tuned with me. If you have dry, dull, or full of acne skin, this video must be the video that you are looking for, because I find a simple homemade tonic that completely changed my skin tone, changed my skin, and I believe that if you also start it now, it's going to help you because it's not too late. No chemicals inside, no expensive product. It's just a natural ingredient from your kitchen. You will use it to change everything, to change the narration from your skin tone. And the crazy part of this is it is not going to take you up to 2 minutes for you to prepare it. That's the most crazy part. And is very effective. Immediately when you start using it, you will come back here. I know that you will come back here and thank me. If you want soft, glowing, smooth skin, keep watching, because this is complete game changer. Skin game changer, or skin therapy. Is the skin game changer therapy. It changed my skin, it changed my face, dark spots. As you guys can see now, even when I'm sitting this way, you cannot see my dark spot. It's not coming, popping like first before. But when you check my previous videos, you will see my dark spot, the way my dark spot was showing. It was not good. But it's only that when it's come like that, you have to accept everything and just continue going. So let me stop talking and we start the video. But before starting it, please, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate. This channel is all about how we can do to grow our natural hair and take care of our skincare also. Because while you are growing your hair, beauty hair, you need to have beauty skin. This beauty skin, you have to have beauty hair, right? So we are working both together. So come and join me and we do this thing together. Without you guys, I cannot do this alone, because your support, it means a lot for me in this channel. So let's do what? Like it and we start the video. So my people, now our first thing we need to do is cucumber. Wash your cucumber thoroughly. A lot of us or a lot of people are struggling with dry skin, dark spots, acne, rough texture, and sometimes the products that we are buying is very harsh. It's too expensive also. Not only the harsh, it's very expensive also again, even damaging our skin without us knowing. It's damaging our skin. So now we finish grinding the cucumber. So the next thing that you need to do to get something strainer to strain it, to make sure that you get the proper juice. So while we strain the cucumber, let's check and see the benefit of cucumber. Cucumber is full of water and vitamin C, which help to hydrate your skin deeply. It also, tighten your pores and reducing puffiness. So cucumber is very, very good. If your skin is feeling tired or dull, cucumber will make your skin refresh instant. So I apply my face mask. So after making the cucumber, I'm going to start mixing the ingredients, the things that I'm going to mix inside. So before we start mixing it, I apply my face mask, so that after I finish, I can go and wash it and come and apply it. So right now my cucumber juice is here. So the next thing now I'm going to add my aloe vera gel inside. I'm going to add aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is one of the best ingredients for skin repairing. It helps to reduce acne, smooth irritation, and smooth the skin irritation. Now I'm using this aloe vera. Okay, I'm going to explain something to you guys. So this one, they are saying 92% of aloe vera, and I have another one also, is 100% natural, pure, organic aloe vera. So but that one I'm using this one because of if you can't get the original one, you get the one they say 90 watts percent, you can buy it and use it. So right now I'm adding my rose water. I'm adding some small amount of rose water into it. So after that, it's not going to end there because I'm still have some ingredients to add inside. Why I'm adding the ingredients, let's check and see. Now I'm adding honey also inside, some pinch of honey. So I was talking about the aloe vera, aloe vera gel. It's also boosting collagen, and aloe vera will also leave your skin smooth, soft, and healthy. So, which is very, very good. So, after that, as you guys can see, I added honey inside, right? So, let's check and see the honey benefit. Honey also is the natural, antibacterial ingredient. Now I'm going to add rose essential oil, some few drops. So honey is natural antibacterial ingredient, which is perfect for acne, okay? And it's also locking moisture into your skin while you are using it, or you add it into your thing, and giving your skin very soft and glowing looking. Honey is very, very good. It also helps to heal damaging or dry skin while you are using it. So guys, after I mixed everything, I went and washed my face and come. Now you can see I'm going to apply it. I pour it inside of that spray bottle. You can use the spray to spray into your face like that and leave it get dry, or you can also use cotton, or you can use your hand. So there are so many alternatives you can use to apply. So now I'm trying to allow it get cool, but it's good when you are going to do it, try to do it at night, okay? That is very, very good. Try to do this treatment at night. When you do it, you just go to bed. You can see my face is even feeling it now. When you apply it this way, if you have moisturizer cream, you can use your moisturizer cream to apply, let it get dry, and you apply your moisturizer cream and go and sleep. The next morning when you wake up, you will wake up with unbelievable skin. Seriously, you will love this thing, because for me trying this, and to be honest you guys, I really enjoy it. So after that, what I'm doing, as I say, I don't buy any expensive or any product. I just make my own vitamin C oil. I use jojoba oil and sweet almond oil to make my own vitamin C oil. And vitamin C oil, I use dry peels, orange peel, to make it. I don't use fresh things because I need to preserve my oils very good for it not to get spoiled. So this oil can stay even up to 2 years without spoiling. But if you use the fresh things, you are going to spoil your oil very quick, and you did not finish using it. But you can use the fresh one. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use, but I'm just telling you for my observation, or for knowing, or for my own research, doing the dry one is much better. So those things that I added inside, and the rose oil, let's check and see. The rose oil also that I added is having vitamin A, vitamin C, and antioxidant, which help to fight skin damaging. It's also having natural oil, nourishing and protecting your skin. It's deep moisturizing. Rose oil is also helping to lock moisture into your skin, make your skin look very smooth and soft. So and also it's brighten your skin. Rose oil, it will help to improve skin tone and give you natural glow automatically. So now you can see how my face is looking. So rose oil, the ingredient, the benefit is chow. I cannot even, because I don't want the video to be too much long. So you can just do the research about the ingredients that I use. I use cucumber, rose water, aloe vera gel, honey, and my rose oil. So those are the ingredients that I use to make this. Try to apply it at night. Always make sure before you apply it at night, and try to clean your face. Wash your face thoroughly. After washing, you wipe the water and use your tonic. You use your cotton, use it like you are cleaning, as you are using tonic to clean your face. Use it that way, or you can just put it inside your palm, your hands, and massage your face and allow it get cool. When it get cool, I'm saying bye bye bye. I'm just trying to finish everything. When it get cool, you use your moisturizer cream to moisturize your face. This is my face mask. That video also is on the live is in YouTube now, so please go and support me by watching that video. I love you guys. Bye bye.